Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss evaporation of water. As a question, we have a topic which
Hello.
is where does the water go? Hello, how are you?
Thank you. How are you, teacher?
I am fine, alhamdulillah. Open your books, page 28. Hello. Page 28.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, how are you?
Fine.
Open your books, page 28 and 29.
I'm opening.
Okay.
I love it.
Hi, teacher.
Hello. How are you? Omar Yasir, open your mic and read.
Hi, sir. How are you today?
I am fine.
Celebrate what?
Page 28 and 29. Omar
28 and
Yasir, start
29.
reading, please.
1 minute, please.
Okay. Page 28.
Sir, I sent it to you the homework.
Yeah, I saw that. Thank you.
Correct.
Yes, sir. Where does the water go? Know that when a liquid turns to a gas, we call it evaporation. The big idea. Liquids evaporate. Materials can change into solids, liquids or gases. Scientists calls this changing state of matter. When a liquid gets cold, it changes to a solid. This is called freezing. When a liquid
Okay,
gets
Omar
hot
Yasir,
enough,
wait. Look, boys, it's written that when a liquid gets cold, it's mean like water. If you put this water into the refrigerator, it's mean cold place, so it will get freezed. So this process is called freezing. You got it? When a liquid like water, you put it inside the refrigerator, it will get cold or freezed. Okay. Umar Muhammad, read next. When a liquid. Umar Muhammad, can you hear me? Okay. Khalid, open your mic.
okay, teacher. When
Yeah.
a liquid gets hot, the
Enough.
enough liquid can turn into a gas. This is called evaporation.
This is
When a
called
gas
evaporation. Okay, Khalid, wait. This one is called evaporation when a liquid gets hot enough and the liquid can turn into a gas like water. If you put water on the gas, it can turn into gas. You can see on page number 29. On the top of the page, there are three pictures. You can see number one is ice, number two is water, and number three is steam. Number one, talj, yani ठोस, solid. Number two, liquid, yani water, moya. Number three, gas, steam, or hot evaporation of water. Okay, understood? Then Abdullah Faisal, open your mic.
Yes.
Yes, read when a
Uh, okay. When a liquid
When a
gets
gas,
when okay a gas cools again, it turns back into
turns
a
back.
liquid. Turns back, okay, into a liquid. This is called condensation.
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 Okay, what is the example of condensation? When it is cold, yani barid, if you go out and you will see water drops on your car. Sir? Or maybe you see water droplets outside of the window glass, right? يعني ممكن موجود مويه القزاز برا او موجود القزاز حق السياره برا. If that is Umar Muhammad and Umar, don't write in chat box, please. Concentrate on the lesson. That is called condensation. Because water droplets are there in the air. Yani fil hawa moya mawjood. Water is there in the air. So when it cools down, fi barid, we can see water droplets when we go out in the morning. صباح لو انت رو برا انت شوف مويه موجوده السياره او ممكن في الارض برضو. Okay. Then yes, Nadeem, Walid, you have anything?
No, teacher, I only want a question.
Yeah, تفضل, please.
No, I want to answer a question.
Yeah, okay, I will call you. So there are 3 terms, 3 points, 3 basic things, 3 points to remember. Number 1 is freezing. What do you mean by freezing? When a liquid gets cold, it turns or changes into a solid, that is called freezing. When a liquid gets hot enough and turns into gas, that is called evaporation. Evaporation yani bakhar, bukhar. When a gas cools again and turns back into liquid, yani maratani jimoya, that is called condensation. Any questions about this? Okay. Draw
Sir, please
pictures
again.
in the box. I will explain again when we let me write this. So everyone will write and I will explain again. Okay.
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 So draw pictures in the boxes to show what happens to the particles as a substance changes from a solid to a liquid. So what pictures do you think we should make here? Yes, anyone? So we can make here solid.
Like ice.
Yeah, we can make solids like this. Like this is a pen, okay, and you can draw inside boxes
Pen.
like that. The
Inside
box
box.
and this will be, the particles will be like that because this is solid, so no space. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes,
I've been writing this.
you have to make, you have to draw the box only. You have to draw the box and then inside you will draw particles like that. Okay, you will draw accurately. Okay, then in liquid you will draw the same box. Okay, but for as for liquids, you know, they are not far away, so you will draw liquids like that.
Sir, can I write a square?
No, no, man. Particles you should make round like that. Okay, so they are
Pens.
like that.
I'll make a pens.
Okay, so they are like that, like water. So solid turns into liquid, the particles change. Then draw pictures on the boxes from liquid to gas. So you will draw this same picture here. Same like liquids. Okay, and then make here. Okay. The liquids are like that. Then when they change into gas, they are like this picture which we will draw here. They are like that. Okay. You can draw particles of gas like that. Understood? Now you have any question about this?
No.
No. Okay.
Bonjour, Messi.
Then we have on page number 29, complete the sentences using words in the word bank. So in the
One say,
word bank,
teacher, I'm
we
Khalid Mohammed.
have 4 words: freezing, evaporation, melting, and condensation, as we discussed on page number 28.
Teacher, I
That-
can say the answer. I'm Khalid Mohammed.
Khalid, wait, please. You read it before, so let me ask someone else. Nadeem, now you can answer. The change from liquid to gas, what is the name?
Called evaporation.
Yes, salam. Evaporation. So you will write here evaporation. Okay. Evaporation. Number 2, the change from gas to liquid is called. Who will answer for this? Let me ask Omar Ala. From gas to liquid. Yes, Khalid.
I can say the answer.
Yes.
The change from gas to liquid is called condensation.
Yes, salam. Condensation. 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 Right answer. Then,
Mister, can I say?
who is with me?
Me, Nadeem.
Yes,
say?
wait, Nadeem, you answered before. Omar, sorry, Noor.
Yes, teacher.
Noor, yes. Question number 3. The change from solid to liquid. It's very easy.
It's called evaporation.
From solid to liquid.
No, water vapor. Teacher,
Very
I
bad,
can.
Noor. That is not good.
Teacher, I can.
Yes, Faisal. Abdullah Faisal.
Yes, freezing.
We are talking about
Teacher, I can say-
solid to liquid.
Teacher, I can say-
Solid to liquid.
Okay, sorry.
Teacher, I can
Ben and water.
شوية ركز يا حبيبي. Noor and Abdullah
can say-
Faisal, please. Yes,
Heat.
Khalid.
Melting.
Melting is the right answer. When you put ice outside, it will become water. That is called melting. That is called melting. Someone was saying heat. Even we don't have in World Bank, we don't have heat. So you should concentrate a little. Last one, the change from liquid to solid, from water to ice, that is called freezing, because you put that into freezer. So that is called freezing. This is most important part. The change from liquid to gas, yani moya yiji bukhar, that is called evaporation. Then if there is gas and it turns into liquid, that is condensation. If ice becomes water, it means solid becomes liquid, that is called melting. Like what? If you are eating ice cream, okay? If you are eating ice cream, you take it from the shop or from the shopkeeper, After some time, you feel ice cream is melting. So that is called melting from solid to liquid. Okay, that is called melting. Last one, the change from liquid to solid. It's mean from water to ice, that is freezing. Because you put water in the refrigerator to make it ice. That is called solid. From liquid to solid, that is freezing. Understand or not?
Yes, understand.
Very nice. Okay, then we have yes or no questions. Let me just read the other questions. Okay, this is investigation. You can model particles in your class. Imagine you and your classmates are particles. Arrange yourself into straight rows. Okay, when you will come, we will do this. Which state of matter you are modeling? If you are near to each other, you are making solid. You are making solid. Let me make it smaller so that it can come here. Okay, solid. Okay, write this in front of this question. What happens if the particles in this model are heated? The solid melts. The solid, sorry. The solid melts when you heat it. Okay, then model the
Change to
movement of
liquid.
particles after heating. The particles behave. Can you move now? Yes, of course, because it becomes liquid and particles in liquid can move, but a little. Yes. If you continue to heat the particles, what happens? The particles will be free to move. If your teacher continues to heat the particles, what happens? Okay, the answer is particles move
Change
further
to gas.
apart until they are free and moving quickly. They move freely. Okay, it's mean the particles move freely. You can write this here, but I will write this here so that you can copy. They move freely or quickly. Which new state is being made? Yes, who will tell me? If they are moving freely, then what is the state?
Liquid. Liquid.
It was liquid. Now,
Gas. Solid.
Solid.
yeah, Habibi, particles can move freely.
Yes.
Gas. I
Gas.
said gas.
Yes, this is gas.
I said gas. Oh,
I told you, na, look, first it was solid. They can't move. In liquids, they can move a little. And in gas, they can move freely. Understand?
okay.
Imagine your teacher takes away the heat and you get colder and colder until you freeze. Model this movement of particle. Okay, you can make it. We made it here already. You are now, it's gas. It becomes liquid, then it becomes solid. So we had done it before. Imagine you teach. Okay, this is done. Then answer yes or no to the following questions. To the following questions.
Teacher, I can't.
Can you pour a large piece of solid material? How will tell me?
Yes.
Can you pour? Pour means ermi zay moya. Throw.
No.
You cannot. So it means first one is no, because you cannot throw like water. Anything solid like water. Pour means throw like water.
Okay. Can I say the?
Yes, Omar
Teacher
Allah.
can say
Can a gas
Can a
spread out to
gas
fill the
spread-
mirror?
no.
Yani gas cannot spread in the room, huh?
Can
No, sir,
spread in
yes.
the room.
Why you are saying no?
I think in the bottle. I thought in the bottle.
Not in the bottle. That is, they are saying, can a gas spread out to fill a container?
I can
Container
say
means
number three.
anything that is
Yes.
containing gas. Inside
Sir,
the
I
room,
can say-
inside the bottle, inside the box, inside the cylinder, anything. So it's mean this is yes. Gas can fill the container. We discussed it before.
I can say number three, teacher.
Wait, ya Khalid. Somebody else.
Does solid make the shape of the container? It
Umar Allah, wait.
is.
Sir,
Who
can
else
I
is
answer?
there? Umar Muhammad, are you there?
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Yes, give me answer for number 3. Does a solid make the shape of container it is in?
No, the solid is the shape.
We are talking, yes, that's nice, good. No. Because you put pen in the bottle, no problem, it will be pen, not to change. Okay. Does a liquid make the shape of container it is in? If you put water in the glass or in the bottle, it will take the shape, same shape. Huh? Anyone? Umar Yasir?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes.
yes, please. Read the
Yes, sir.
question.
Omar, yes.
Umar Yasir, read number 4 and answer me quickly.
Does a liquid make the shape of the container it is in? Yes. True.
Sir, I want to
So
ask
yes,
you.
please, Umar Yasir, again, please.
Does a liquid make the shape of the container it is in? True.
True. Okay, thank you. Yes. Not true, it's yes. Yes, what
Okay.
is your question, Omar? Let me just take a picture for this.
Okay. If we throw a pencil in the gas,
Okay,
okay, the gas is freely to move more than water, right?
of course. Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
Why, if we put a pencil on a gas, it doesn't make any change?
No, you know, let me just show you, like the gas is already in the container, you understand?
Yes.
This is not a mixture. You are just like what? Like if you, in the glass you have water, okay?
Okay.
And you mix what? You mix sugar in it, okay? That
Okay.
is soluble, so water, the sugar will be disappeared, becomes liquid, okay?
Okay.
Okay, but if you put pencil or wood or paper or plastic in the water, will it be mixed?
No.
No, it's mean they are not soluble, so they will not make any change. They will be in the box or in the glass or in the gas container, no problem. Got it?
Got it.
Like what? If you have a scent perfume, okay? If you spray on your clothes, but
Okay.
you are pouring that liquid which is turning into gas as perfume, you are putting on your clothes, right?
Yes.
But why the other people can feel it? They can
Because it
smell
make
it because this is gas and it will spread in the room. It will take the shape of container. Okay, it will fill the room. So that's why other people can feel it, but there is no change for solids. Even
yes.
the scent is in the room, but there is no change in solids. You are there, you are solid. Your tables, your window, everything is there. No change in
Yes.
solids.
Okay.
Okay, so it's mean even if you enter anything or if you put anything in the solids or liquids, there is no change in the solids or liquids or gases. Any other questions, Nadeem or Omar Allah or anyone?
Not it.
Okay, I will.
Ma-
Yes.
No, 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 no.
Okay, if you have anything, you can ask now. Have you finished? كتبت ولا باقي؟
I finish all.
I am
Anyone?
finished, teacher.
From 1 million years. I finished.
MashaAllah, 1 million years.
Yeah.
You are older now.
Teacher,
Yes.
Teacher.
I have
You're
done face in
so
2 minutes. I
old.
am 2
Okay,
minutes.
good boy. Just 1 second. Let me write your names because we didn't write your attendance. Okay. Abdullah Faisal is there. Asil is there. Khalid is there. Ibrahim Somali, are you there? No. Okay.
No,
Muhammad Abdullah Leham is there. Muhammad Abdullah Al Amri, are you there?
no,
Muhammad Abdullah Al Amri.
no.
Okay.
He's not there.
Then Nadeem is absent today. Umar Muhammad is there.
No, no, wait.
Usama. Yes, I know. Okay. Usama, are you there?
No, Nadim is absent.
Yazan.
Osama, no.
Yazan
No,
is.
teacher, no. Osama is not
I saw
there.
Yazan was there
Yazan
now.
No,
I
Yazan
think
is
he
not
left.
there.
Okay. Abdullah Muhammad Al Liham. Mawjood?
Yes,
there.
he is here.
Okay. Omar Ala is there. Omar Yasir is there.
Yeah,
And
not there.
Muhammad Noor is there. Okay. So about this, you have any questions?
No.
No.
Okay. Now
Nadim
we
is
can-
absent.
Thank you very much.
Okay, now you
Thank
can open your cameras. If you have any question, you can ask from me now. Hello. Umar Allah, what are you doing? Hello, Umar Muhammad, Abdullah, Umar Yasir, everyone. Okay, so as I told you, in liquids, in solids, particles are like this. In liquids, they are a little far, but in gases, they are free to move. Understand? We are talking about freezing, condensation, melting, and which was number 4?
Freezing.
Yeah, freezing. Let me see.
Evaporation.
Evaporation. Excellent. Evaporation. So
Hey,
number
what's the homework?
number one is solid. Okay. We will start from solid. Okay. So this one is solid. Okay. Like this. So when we heat, it will become like this. So what does mean? What is this now?
He's broken. He's broken.
Liquid.
right?
It's liquid.
Or
This is
liquid.
called solid to liquid. That is called melting. Like I told you, ice
Solid.
cream. If you take ice
Sol-
cream, okay, if you buy ice cream, Omar Allah, if you buy ice cream, hello. After
It
some
will melt
time, it melts, right? It melts.
Yes.
So from solid to liquid, that is
Liquid.
called melting. Understand?
And if we heat the ice cream, it will be evaporation.
It will evaporate. Okay. From solid means ice. From ice
Teacher.
to water, that is solid to liquid, and that is melting. Understand? Yes, Khalid.
Okay. Which the homework? Which the homework?
Wait, please. Let me explain. I finished. We are
I
talking about.
finished
I
the
am finished.
homework.
Then we have. Now we have water. Okay. Now, if we continue to heat it, the water becomes what? The water
Evaporation.
Gases. Gases.
Gas.
Yes, from water to gas,
Liquid.
from liquid to
gas.
gas, that is called
Liquid to gas.
evaporation.
Evaporation.
Okay.
Evaporation.
Now it's gas. Gas becomes water again, that is called condensation. That is called
Condensation.
from gas to liquid, that is condensation. Understood?
Condensation.
Understood.
Last process, from liquid to solid again, like you have water and you
Solid.
make ice again. That
Solid.
is called
Freezing.
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 Yes, Umar Muhammad. Yes, Umar Allah. Freezing. So it's
Yes,
means
if you want.
there are 4 processes, from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, gas to liquid, liquid to solid. Understand? So
Yes.
first of all is
Yes.
melting, then evaporation,
Yes.
then condensation, and then again freezing. So there are 4 processes. Umar Yasir, understand?
Yes.
Abdullah Liham,
Yes.
Asil, Nadeem, Muhammad Noor, Umar Muhammad,
Me.
and Umar Ala. Yes, Umar Noor.
Omar
Do you
Noor.
have any question?
What? Omar Noor.
Muhammad Noor, I mean.
Teacher,
You said Omar Noor.
Yes, Umar. Yasir.
teacher,
Yeah.
I sent you the homework of today.
Okay, thank you.
And me too.
Thank you.
What's the homework? What's the homework?
Okay, so it means I am clear now. Okay.
25, 26,
I will send
27
you-
as
20,
homework.
25, 26, 27.
Okay. Thank you and goodbye. Thanks for
Bye.
joining.
What's the homework?
See you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye. Khalid, send me these pictures, what you have done in your book. Okay. Goodbye, Abdullah.
Okay.
Bye.